Hello student, welcome to SHR classes. Today I am going to draw 30-degree angle. First of all, I take 10 centimeter line. You can choose 9, 10 or 5. Okay, here I am taking 10 centimeter line. Now using pencil compass and take a measure of 3 centimeter and then putting here and draw a curve by this way. Okay, with same length putting this here and draw another curve and cut the curve. Now again with same length and draw another curve and putting this and draw another curve here. So two curve intersect at a point. Now I am going to join these 2 points, then we can get our required angle. Now I am going to check whether it is wrong or correct. So let's see. Okay, it is okay, there is no wrong, so it is 30-degree angle. Okay, and this is written by A, B, C. Therefore angle ABC equal 30-degree. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe my channel.